Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, yellow color, red color, yellow ochre color, green color, brown color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E-1. It's again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W or 2. Kids night 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow color. T-H-R-W 3. 4. The numbers of 4. And again use yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5 and use red color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids again use red color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids night 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow ochre color. The numbers of 7. 8. The numbers of 8. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids night 9. The numbers of 9. And use green color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T-E and 10. Kids night 11. The numbers of 11 and use brown color. 12. The numbers of 12 and again use brown color. Kids night 13. The numbers of 13 and use blue color. 14. The numbers of 14 and again use blue color. Kids night 15. The numbers of 15 and use yellow color. The numbers of 15. Kids again use yellow color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids night 17. The numbers of 17 and use red color. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18 and again use red color. Kids night 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow ochre color. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. It's neither 21. The numbers of 21. And here's brown color. Brown color. It's neither 22. The numbers of 22. And again use brown color. It's neither 23. The numbers of 23. And use blue color. Blue color. 24. The numbers of 24. And again use blue color. It's neither 25. The numbers of 25. And use yellow color. Yellow color. 'Kids again use yellow color and draw 26. The numbers of 26. Kids neither 27. The numbers of 27. And here's red color. Red color. 28. The numbers of 28. And again use red color. Kids neither 29. The numbers of 29. And here's yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 30. The numbers of 30. And again use yellow ochre color. It's neither 31. The numbers of 31. And use brown color. Brown color. 32. The numbers of 32. And again use brown color. It's neither 33. The numbers of 33. And use blue color. Blue color. 34. The numbers of 34. And again use blue color. It's neither 35. The numbers of 35. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 36. The numbers of 36. Kids neither 37. The numbers of 37. And use red color. Red color. 38. The numbers of 38. It's neither 39. The numbers of 39. And here's yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 'Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 40. The last day draw 40. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.